Hello from Tajmotormedics. Got a Honda Civic here on a 2002 plate. Now this is the second part. I've done the headlight bulb on the near side, which was an easy side. Now this one here, where we've got a battery, that's the bulb we need to get to, the bulb holder right there. That's the cover we need to remove, and then there's a bulb inside, which is a H4 bulb. You can find a link for it in the description if you did need one, and there'll be a link for the first part as well, so if you did want to do the passenger side. Now the one that we're doing is on the driver's side. For me to do it, I could make my life easy by removing the battery more towards my left, but I wouldn't really want to do that or anything, because that's going to put more work on for me. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you from this angle here. You'll have an idea, if you look at the first part, you'll have an idea of how the bulb sits in. So that's the plug, that's out. Usually they are quite tight, so you got to just wiggle. So once the cover is out, sorry, the plug is out, then you remove the cover, which, as you can see now, I've just pulled it out there, and then I gently pull the whole thing out. That's the cover right there. Now the bulb is right on the inside, as you can see. If I just zoom in a little bit, there, right there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to zoom back out. Right, I think I've locked the screen. There. On the top hand side there'll be a spring, which you'll see clearly in the other video. So you push the spring towards the left and then pull it out, like you see right there. So to your left, and then pull it out towards yourself, but you've got to push it in and then pull it to your left. Okay, so that's the bulb we're replacing. I've already got a new one. Now the bulb would only sit in one way as well, so if you do fit it in correctly, you'll have a bigger problem. So as you can see at the bottom right there on the left hand side, 1 second, let me just get this in there first. Now as you can see, the way I've fitted the bulb in, so the pin, the top one is sitting up, and then the one slightly in an angle, the one on the right, the one on the left, that's the pin located there. There'll be one there, one on the top. Now if you did want to see it with a mirror, just to make sure you've done it right, if I just show you right there, so you can see now the bulb is perfectly sitting in straight. So you can see the top locator as well. Got a second hand now. So that's the top locator right there, and then you've got the two bottom ones right there and there as well. My battery's low, no good. Right, my battery's low, so I'm going to be quick on this one now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring the spring forward, and then to my left, and then right again, push it down, then get the cover, put the cover on, and then plug it in. That should do the job. Perfect. Get the cover on. That's it. Now you can see I've got the cover on and everything as well, so I'm just going to check the lights. Now you can see both are working as well. So that's all it is. And that's working, and that's working as well. Right, that's all it was on a Honda Civic right there. So if you've got the same one, you know how to do the bulbs. So it's both of them now. You've got the passenger side and the driver side. The passenger side is part 1, the driver side is part 2. If there is anything else you need, comment us below. We'll try helping you out. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you, and goodbye.